Okay guys, what's up? We're back with another video guys, and today I have 4 apps that I think you guys would like to have on your smart cloud TV Imperial, and these apps is very useful to you on your TV. Now the first app that we are going to install is TV Messenger. Now TV Messenger is an app that can connect you to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, to Instagram, to all your social media platforms that you have. All you need to do is just to connect them to your phone and enter your information and so on and so forth. This is a TV Messenger. We're gonna click on it right here. If you hear a noise in the background, I'm so sorry. It's just the neighbor's dog. Now if you want to read the full description, you can read the full description if you so wish, but we are going to click install, and we're going to wait for this thing to be installed. Now give it a couple seconds, it's not going to take very long. Now this connect you to all your social media platform. Okay, now we're going to click open TV Messenger. Now we're going to click accept, and here you will see all your social media platform that you use. You can connect them from your phone to your TV, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and Gmail, so on and so forth, Yahoo, Discord, Steam, TikTok. All you need to do is just to click on it and follow the notification. Once you follow the notification, you will also get I think probably a QR code or something. I'm not gonna do it, I'm just showing you how it will work. I'm just giving you an example. So it will load up, and once it load up, it will give you this here, and you will follow this instruction. So you will get the QR code right here. You will use your phone and scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you will also get what is on your phone. You will see it on your TV screen. Okay, and you can get the app if you so wish from here, link with phone number and stuff like that. I'm just giving you just the basic. You can do it also with any one of the platform that you wish. Okay, but bear in mind that this app takes up a lot of GPU, CPU, and GPU, so be careful with that. Okay, now that was TV Messenger. Now the other one is VLC for Android. And now this is to play videos. Okay, this is to play videos because your TV don't automatically play videos. I tried and it didn't work. First thing you need to do, you need to go into Play Store. I'm going to click the search bar up here again, and we're going to type in VLC, and here it is right here for Android. We're going to click it, and we're going to click the install button. Now you can send videos to your TV, and you can use this to play it. You can send audios to your TV, and you can use this to play. You can send music to your TV, and this VLC will play it for you. Okay, it will play it for you. So we're gonna wait for this thing to download. Now once it downloads, remember, read the full description, know what you are installing, stuff like that. Now once it done like that, you will, on your remote, you will just click the side bar like this, and you're gonna grant permission, allow, and we're gonna click the sidebar again, and we are going to click start VLC. Okay, now here I have two videos right here that I have already uploaded to my TV using send files to TV. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is install send files to TV, and you will get the videos that you need. This is a video that I have made and sent to my TV because this TV does not allow you to play videos. So this is a nice app to use and play videos or anything that you have, music and stuff like that. And you see it at audio settings right here, playlist, browsing and others. Okay, and videos right here. If you click this, you will see the two videos right here. These are the two videos. This is it's not very long, but this is short, so but this is long. I could play it and let you see that it works. So if you do have any videos, like videos, you can use it on your TV. Alright, this I think this look like an ad or something. Alright, so there it is, and you will see it play the video right here. You can see that it played the video. You won't see the video on my screen. My screen will block it out because the video recorder that I'm using is not going to play it, but you will see that it is there. You will see for yourself. Okay, so that is one of the apps that I used. It's gonna be in the Google Play Store. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type in ZANK, and there it is right here. I already installed it. So what you will do, you will click the install button once it installed. But first thing, before you click that button, what I want you to do, I want you to come back off, and I want you to go over down here to settings, or you can click this settings. I'm using the Project TV launcher, but all you need to do is click to the accessibility right here, and you will turn this on right here. You will turn on Zank remote right here. You need to turn on this or else it won't work. Okay, so what you need to do now, once you have done that, you are already connected. You don't need to do anything else. What you need to do now is to go on your phone. So once you go on your phone now, you will download the Zank on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, now we're on the phone, and what you need to do, you need to install it on your phone also. So you're going to click on the Play Store button. Then once you go in Play Store, you're going to click on the search icon, and then you're going to type in Zank TV remote. You're going to click on that, and here you will see it up here. You will click the install button right here. Once you click the install button, you will open it. Once it finish, now we already set it up on the TV, so we're gonna show you now that it works, so and access anything that you want. So this is the Zank remote. You can use it to control your TV and stuff like that. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.